Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide apps on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you want to hide some application, for example, I want to hide my Instagram application, all you need to do is to tap and hold on that one app, like this. Then you will see this list of options. You need to click on the Require Face ID, here it is. And then you need to click on the second one option, hide and require face ID. After that you will see this interface. You can read this message and then at the bottom of your screen click on the hide app button, and then as you can see this application is disappeared. If you try to find this application, for example in the search bar, Instagram, so as you can see there is no Instagram application. So if you want to find this application, you need to scroll to the right, you will see your app library, then you need to scroll down and find hidden folder at the bottom of your screen, and then tap on that one folder. So after that, as you can see, Instagram application appeared. You can tap and hold on that one application and then click on the don't require face ID if you want to unhide this application. So, and after that you will be able to find this application in the search bar. So, and that's all, and that's how to hide apps on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.